On the Health Watch, a new report is raising concern about what may be in your plastic water bottle.
Health reporter Stephanie Stahl is here with the findings.
Lots of people interested in this because everybody's walking around with water bottles. Now, let's put this in perspective. This is one study with a limited sample, but it found that a person who drinks a liter of bottled water a day might be consuming tens of thousands of microplastic particles each year.
Bottled water is a huge industry in the U.S. Now, new tests from journalism group Orb Media and the State University of New York have discovered tiny particles of plastic in some water. Researchers tested more than 250 bottles using this special kind of dye that sticks to plastic.
Under certain wavelengths of light, it causes them to sparkle like stars in a night sky.
Plastic was identified in 93% of samples. The concentrations ranged from 0 to more than 10,000 likely plastic particles in a single bottle.
It's an indication that we should be concerned. It's not catastrophic, the numbers that we're seeing, but it's concerning. And especially if you look at if you're drinking only bottled water and you do this every day.
Researchers tested 11 popular brands of water bought in 9 countries, including the United States. The World Health Organization says currently there is no evidence microplastics affect human health. Some scientists say more research is needed.
As we become more aware of the prevalence of microplastics and the potential harm that they might cause, I think we need to start thinking now about how we can reduce those inputs.
The International Bottled Water Association tells CBS News there is no consensus on testing for microplastics or the potential health impacts. The group says the new study is not based on sound science and is unnecessarily scaring consumers.
Now, the FDA says it is closely following research on microplastics and their potential to enter the food supply. So there's clearly a lot of unanswered questions about this. We'll continue to follow it.
Definitely makes you think, though.
Right, you think of how much you're consuming over time.
Thanks, Steph.